Best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Honda Civic Type R. As 2024 revs up, the competition in the midsize sports sedan category is fiercer than ever. Among the standout contenders, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R is capturing significant attention and acclaim. This year's model, boasting enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and a refined design, is setting new standards for what drivers can expect from a sports sedan. The 2024 Honda Civic Type R exemplifies the perfect blend of power and practicality. Under the hood, it features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that generates an impressive 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain, combined with a precise 6-speed manual transmission, delivers an exhilarating driving experience that enthusiasts crave. The Type R's sophisticated suspension system and adaptive dampers ensure exceptional handling and a smooth ride, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. Aesthetically, the 2024 Civic Type R continues to evolve, embracing a sleeker, more aggressive design. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a revised front bumper and a prominent rear spoiler, not only contribute to its sporty appearance but also improve stability and performance at high speeds. The interior is equally striking, featuring bolstered sports seats, a driver-centric cockpit, and premium materials that elevate the overall driving experience. Technologically, the Civic Type R is on the cutting edge. The new model includes an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, enhanced connectivity features, and a premium audio system. Safety is also a priority, with Honda's sensing suite of driver assist technologies coming standard, offering peace of mind alongside thrilling performance. While the Honda Civic Type R stands out, it's not alone in the competitive midsize sports sedan market for 2024. Rivals such as the Subaru WRX STI, Volkswagen Golf R, and the Hyundai Elantra N are also vying for the top spot, each offering their unique blend of performance and features. The Subaru WRX STI continues to be a favorite with its rally-inspired design and robust all-wheel drive system, while the Volkswagen Golf R impresses with its refined interior and sophisticated driving dynamics. The Hyundai Elantra N, with its striking looks and impressive performance, is also gaining traction among enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Civic Type R leads the pack of midsize sports sedans with its potent combination of power, technology, and style. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, this model exemplifies Honda's commitment to delivering exhilarating, driver-focused vehicles. For those seeking the ultimate driving experience in a midsize sports sedan, the 2024 Civic Type R is undoubtedly a top contender.